Weirdest intro into this vlog, but I had to sneak out of the house and go down to the stationery store to give 42 of these black papers to get spirals so that tomorrow on Sunday I can sit and start working on Jerry's birthday scrapbook. 41 and 1 for the cover, 1 for good luck. I look like shit, I feel like shit, I have the worst headache. It is T-1 because basically today is the 2nd and 3rd night, so 4th is Jerry's birthday and almost everything is done at this point. The balloons have been booked, the cake has been booked, the food has been ordered. His main gift has already arrived. It is in the cupboard behind me. What I need to do right now is basically I ordered a bunch of these papers, black papers online like close to a month ago. I'll show you what I got done with it. There's a stationery store near my house. I bought 2 packs of 30-30, so 60. 42 are in this and the remaining 18 are in this. What I've basically gotten done is to turn it into like a scrapbook of sorts, which of course I'll tell you what I'm doing inside. I got it spiraled like you're seeing over here, and I got a nice transparent thingy added on the front and the back. I don't plan on using this vertically. I mean, it is going to land up being both ways, but basically it'll be like this. I have these Kodak paper sheets I ordered also online a while ago. I ordered these around the time I bought the new printer, which you guys have definitely seen in some part of some vlog. Jerry turns 41 on this birthday and I've selected 42 images, 1 for good luck, 1 for the cover page, for 42 memories. These photos are wide and varied over the last 7 years of us being together, and every page is going to have a photograph, and then behind the photograph there's going to be a little note about the memory. So that's what I'm working on right now. I sent Parokhala down this morning before the shops shut to get some Fevicol and stuff. So I have Fevicol. I'm about to start printing the photographs. I'm going blank. I'm about to start printing photographs, and I need to focus on not just printing the photographs but also sitting and sticking them manually by myself across the scrapbook now. Okay, need to get to work. So I definitely think that Jerry has an idea that something related to his birthday is going on, because he's come to the door twice and I've either not opened or opened just this much because the sofa is full of photos at this point. Even though they're completely dried out, because the printer does that pretty quick, I'm just kind of letting them sit in case of any accidentals, bleeds, spills, whatever, wetness of the ink. This is just an idea of the kind of photos I've taken. So after I printed out all of the 42 photographs, it took me about an hour-ish, maybe an hour and a half-ish to really sit and stick all of them. I didn't use a ruler or anything. I literally just did a freehand style andaze se right in the middle of the page kind of sticking. Hi, good morning. It is the 3rd of June. There's a lot of noise around me. There's a plane taking off somewhere in the distance, and for some reason we can hear that. There are bartans being manjoed in the kitchen. I have woken up with this thought that today is going to be a long ass day, and I just know it. The minute I woke up, literally the minute I rushed in for a shower and I heard the doorbell ring, there was a courier. I needed to sit and get some checks done on the courier that came, and I have already finished 2 work calls and it is around 10:15 in the morning. This is very normal for pre-lockdown Anam, but post-lockdown Anam might be a tad lazier in life. I have finished Jerry's scrapbook, but what's pending is for me to add the memories and the dates and the anecdotes on each of the photos. So I need to take out at least half an hour now and finish that off, because he's still sleeping. So if I finish that off and print the labels, I'm doing them in the format of labels, and stick them on the scrapbook, then I'm almost done. What I also did yesterday was that I printed out these sheets that I'm going to be using as custom gift wrappers for him. They say happy birthday G, and in pink everywhere it says best husband ever. and I'm going to be using this as gift wrapping paper on his for his scrapbook, as well as for the watch that I forgot to tell you guys. I also bought him a GC watch, which I'm going to need to gift wrap at some point today. So lots to do. And his closest friends reached out to me and said, listen, like everyone in our circle is vaccinated, by the way, like literally everyone. So they reached out saying, you know, we're so used to coming over at midnight to wish you guys, and last year obviously no one could, but this year since the vaccinations have happened and we're in a bubble, we're also not meeting everyone, we're meeting only one set of friends every now and then to feel a little bit sane. So they were like, can we come over to wish him at midnight? And I was like, yeah, sure, if you're coming over at midnight, you may as well come earlier and have dinner with us. So we landed up having a random impromptu dinner party, and I ordered dinner last night. We're going to be eating yummy Japanese food. Okay, with that I realized I'm really running out of time. घर की साफ सफाई करनी है, आज काम भी काफ़ी सारा है, सब कुछ बैलेंस करने के लिए मुझे मेरे वक्त का बराबर से तकाजा करना पड़ेगा. I'm gonna sit and get to work.
2 hours later.
Okay, so plot twist, I sat and made all of the notes that need to go in the scrapbook, and just now I have realized that the little sticker papers that I was going to print them on and then stick them, Sampler, they're over, and now I need to send Paru Khala down to get a fresh set, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I actually find someone who stocks them. Of everything that I kept in mind, I just assumed I had these because I always have like stationery in order, and now one fine detail has sent me off the loop, so now I need to see what I can do about it. Okay, so to be honest, I did kind of panic over this whole label notes thing because it was what I was counting on. But after a lot of struggle and checking 5 to 6 different stationery stores, I found the one near my mom's house having a similar kind of a label, not the same one. So I dunzoed it, like I paid the uncle via GPay. I had it dunzoed home, and then I spent about an hour trying to figure out how to reformat the label sizes to fit these labels so I could stick those anecdotes on them. And then I sat and gift wrapped both of the gifts in the custom printout kind of thing that I made for him.
1 eternity later.
Okay, so the gifts are in place. More or less we're all completely set. The balloon company came with the delivery, but unfortunately one of the main balloons, the number 4 of 41, burst literally while she was delivering it. So she's taken it back very, very sweetly, and she's gonna bring it back properly delivered, but it looked so beautiful. That's the food delivery, and the cake delivery is coming soon. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, so the balloons just got here. It's basically this huge 41 birthday stand, kind of like a set, which looks really beautiful. It says Gudda, which is what I call Jerry, and of course it also says Jerry over here. I love how the colors are looking. It's gold, black, blue, just the way I wanted. Okay, so we're gonna pick this up and take it outside because I want to take some pictures of it with Jerry, and I also want to vlog his reaction, and I don't know how to do all of this at once. Hi!
Holy shit! What is this?
Can you sit? I want some photos of you with the balloons.
If I sit, then the balloons are gonna cover me.
Okay, let's do it. I'm not sure how many of you guys know this, but Jerry absolutely loves Asian food and he loves Japanese food. So I ordered in a whole host of food from Foo. He loves Foo food. I love Foo food. There was everything from dim sums, sushi, gravy, rice, pan-fried noodles. Everyone who was there, which was a small group, but everyone really loved the food. Even the takeout at home was really good. It was like sitting in the restaurant and eating.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jerry. Happy birthday to you.
See, I vlogged everything in life, so I will always have these moments. Happy birthday.
Thank you. I've got gifts.
Yes, you got gift.
Alright, thank you. Tutu.
Open the box first.
Full on customized and stuff.
Happy birthday, G.
Best husband ever.
Oh.
Ever मतलब कितने थे?
Of all the husbands I've ever
Really?
सातों जन्मों का comparison दे रही थी.
Oh.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant. He's right.
I'll have to completely destroy the wrapper.
करके रहेंगे.
Please do. I've already got my photos of my
Gifts. Ooh.
दिखी नहीं रही है.
Very
वो कब
nice.
करूँ? Nice. Ooh.
Oh, my favorite combination.
Yeah. So
Rose gold,
cool.
right? Rose
Very
gold.
nice.
Golden
Thank you.
baby.
मैं तो rapper देख के खुश हो गया था.
हाँ मैं भी. मुझे थोड़ा प्रीव्यू मिला था इसका.
I like the font also. Like, oh, it's nice.
For your 41st, let's revisit a few of the many special moments from your life. You had a special one, so take your time and browse. Happy birthday, baby. Love you.
Aww.
Aww.
आँखों में आंसू है तो चल.
Where did you get all these photos from?
I'm kind of married to you.
God, that I know, but where
Yes,
did you
contact.
Office, he was sitting on my head. So much he sat on my head in the afternoon. Why is he in the office? Why is the door locked? What are you doing inside? Why are you not outside?
अरे जब भी मैं अपने रूम से बाहर निकलता था ये दरवाजा खुला होता तो
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
We brought in his birthday. I gave him his presents, and I'm just glad I don't have to lie to him about locking myself in the office any longer. Gonna go take my makeup off. Gonna go change. And sleep because it's 2 o'clock, and we just wrapped up the night.
Thank you.
I love
For a
you.
wonderful birthday.
It's just started. We still
Yeah.
have all of tomorrow.
I've got more presents tomorrow.
No. I just meant like we still have tomorrow to make your birthday special. You want
you're my
more
present.
presents?
You're my present. You said yes.
I love you.
You said yes.
I love you.
You said yes. She said yes to marry me on this day.
5 years ago.
Yeah.
I love you. I'm so glad you asked.
So अभी और कोई गिफ्ट नहीं मिलेगा.
See you tomorrow. The 4 has burst, but the photos are done and Jerry was happy seeing it. So that's all I care about right now. Can I tell you what adulting feels like after a point where it's your husband's birthday and you're going to your mother's house for dinner but you don't feel like wearing makeup? Also in my case, because I'm wearing makeup literally 4 or 5 of the other days of the week. So I was like, let's give myself a break today. Jerry's putting his shoes and mask on. I have my mask here. We're about to, we're about to get into the lift, which is also here. Paro Khala is here. Hi Paro Khala. And we're about to get going. So I gave Jerry the option to pick between again Asian or Indian food for dinner at my mom's, and he wanted Asian once again. So we ordered in a whole host of food from Oishi, which is a new place in the city. I will leave links to both of these restaurants down below in case you want to check them out. The food here was also really good. Again, we did a mix of baos and sushis, Thai curries, a really nice mix of Asian food, which is exactly how Jerry likes it.
I want to stab this cake.
One, two, three.
I feel like we've cut too much of a big slice.
birthday.
Yeah, there was no way to possibly make that.
Happy birthday, dear Jerry. Reminds us
Yeah.
why?
Happy
birthday
to One second.
Guys.
Happy birthday, Jerry. We all love you.
God bless you.